Have you ever pondered the subtle yet profound impact of sound on human well-being? Imagine a world where sound, just simple vibrations in the air, has the power to heal, rejuvenate, and even transform. Welcome to the intriguing world of solfeggio frequencies, a series of musical tones used in sacred music that resonate deeply with the human psyche and body. Solfeggio frequencies are a set of 6 frequencies that were used in ancient music, particularly Gregorian chants. These frequencies were believed to impart spiritual blessings when sung in harmony. Now, let's dive into the world of these unique tones, starting from the lowest frequency and working our way up to the highest. At the base of these frequencies, we find the 396 Hz tone, known as Ut, or the liberation of guilt and fear. This frequency aids in balancing the root chakra and liberating emotional blockages. It helps to transform grief into joy, providing a solid foundation of peace and clarity. Next, we encounter 417 Hz, denoted as Re. This undoing of situations and facilitating change frequency aids in breaking old patterns of negativity and unwanted habits. It vibrates at the same frequency as the sacral chakra, helping to cleanse traumatic experiences and clear destructive influences. Moving up, we reach 528 Hz, the Mi frequency, also known as the miracle tone or the frequency of transformation and DNA repair. This frequency resonates with the solar plexus chakra, promoting creativity, miracles, and transformations. It is believed to mend DNA and bring about changes on a cellular level. Next, the Fa frequency at 639 Hz is known as the frequency of connecting and relationships. This frequency aligns with the heart chakra and aids in fostering harmonious relationships and enabling understanding and tolerance. The Sol frequency at 741 Hz, known as the frequency for awakening intuition, resonates with the throat chakra, aiding in expression of truth and expanding intuitive abilities. It helps to cleanse the cellular structure from toxins and electromagnetic radiations. Finally, we arrive at the LR frequency of 852 Hz, the returning to spiritual order frequency. This frequency resonates with the third eye chakra, aiding in the awakening of intuition and inner strength. It helps to return to the spiritual order, aligning with the higher self and the divine purpose. In conclusion, the solfeggio frequencies form a powerful sonic toolkit for spiritual growth and holistic healing. Each frequency carries a specific message and resonates with a particular chakra, aiding in balancing and harmonizing the human energy field. Although these tones were lost over the centuries, they have made a significant comeback in our time, serving as an alternative tool for promoting health and well-being. So, the next time you listen to music, remember, it's not just sound. It could be a frequency that heals. So, whether you choose to listen to solfeggio frequencies during meditation, yoga, or simply as background music, incorporating them into your daily routine can have a powerful effect on your overall health and well-being. So, why not give it a try? Explore the world of solfeggio frequencies and experience the incredible power of sound healing for yourself. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content, and let the healing vibrations of solfeggio frequencies guide you to a state of harmony and inner peace. Thanks for watching.